Hi everyone! Today I'll be making easy lemon pie. What all goes into the easy lemon pie? 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, 1 cup fresh squeezed lemon juice, about 8 lemons. I've got 4 really big ones and about 6 little ones, so I should have enough. Zest of 1 lemon, 1 store-bought unbaked crust, and whipped cream, optional. So let's begin. You want to take your pie crust, you want to leave it out of the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it's more pliable. I'm going to put just a little bit of flour on the board. I usually get way too much, so I'm going to try not to this time. And this isn't a very big cutting board, but I usually make do because I don't have any room anywhere else. And I'm going to roll it out a little bit because it's not going to fit my pan otherwise. And I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my rolling pin so nothing sticks. My goal one of these days is to make a homemade pie crust. And I'm just going to roll it out a little bit bigger so it can go up the sides of my pie pan. It says you're supposed to use a 9-inch pie dish. Okay, I think that's going to be pretty good, I hope. I do have a recipe I want to try for a pie crust that you mix right in your pie pan. So the first thing that I always do is stretch it from the bottom, from the middle, go out to the sides. And you see these are just barely up. I can stretch them out a little bit more. That would be even more awesome. Then just take and crimp it however you want to. I always am terrible with crimping, but I'm more about taste than looks anyway. We want to pre-bake this pie crust before we make the pie. That's as good as it's going to get. Preheat your oven to 350. So I took the pie crust after 8 minutes out of the oven. I'm letting it cool. While it is cooling, take a large bowl, dump in your 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. Then add your 2 egg yolks and your 1 egg. And whisk that with a whisk or beaters until light and fluffy. So then slowly add your lemon juice, which is 1 cup, and your zest from 1 lemon. I'm going to just put the lemon zest in there now and mix that up. And slowly add your lemon juice. Then pour your lemon filling into the pre-baked pie crust. And put this back in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, just until the top of the pie is set and no longer jiggly. So after 27 minutes, I took the easy lemon pie out of the oven. I might have cooked it just a little bit too long as it's pulling away, but I think it'll still be good. We're going to let this cool completely, and then we'll chill it in the refrigerator before we serve. So it needs to be chilled, so keep the leftovers in the refrigerator as well. So here is the easy lemon pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks coconutty.
Nope.
Coconut. Can't tell from smelling it, so I guess I'll have to taste it.
You better taste it.
Well, you can tell by my voice that
You have no taste buds?
I don't. Well, this is very has a lot of flavor. I'm kind of thinking it's lemon.
It is lemon.
Okay.
It's easy lemon pie.
Okay. Well, it's got a lot of flavor. I'm just having trouble identifying it. That's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.